In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or change a payment method in your Adobe account. If you're looking to update your payment details or input a new method, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, let's head over to the Adobe homepage. Start by opening your preferred web browser and navigate to adobe.com. Once you're there, make sure you're signed into your account. You can do so by clicking on the top right-hand corner where it prompts you to sign in. Enter your credentials and you'll be taken to your main account page. Now that you're logged in, you want to focus on finding the plans and payments section. This is where all your subscription and billing details are managed. To find this, look for an option that says Plans, which is usually located in your account overview or settings. Clicking on this will take you directly to your subscription information. Once you're in the Plans and Payments section, you want to locate the specific plan you want to update. Now, spot the option that provides details about your current payment method. It might be labeled something like View Document, Cloud Plans, and Pricing. Click on it, and you'll see various details related to your subscription. From here, you might see an option that says Free Trial. This is usually a part of the page that displays plan options. For our purposes, we're just interested in updating the payment method, so look past the available plans and focus on your current one. Moving forward, find the Continue button, which should be present to proceed through the account management interface. There may be multiple checkpoints or pages confirming your choices, so when you see an option to click Continue, go ahead and do that. As you move to the payment section, you'll notice an option that says Credit Debit. This is crucial because this is where you'll input the new payment details. Click on it and there you'll find forms to fill out your credit or debit card information. Ensure you have your card details handy to enter them accurately. Finally, confirm the details you've entered. Double check to ensure the card number, expiration date, and security code are all correct. Once everything looks good, you should see an option to finalize or save your new payment information. Clicking this will update your account with the new payment method. And that's it. You've successfully added or changed your payment method in your Adobe account. If you encounter any issues, Adobe support resources are just a click away to assist further. Thank you for watching, and I hope this was helpful. Feel free to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.